All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Tron, give you all the price prediction update in the market, trying to figure out could we see a big move occurring? Because right now, the trend is down. Price has gone so low that it even went against our price prediction, which you guys can see right there in front of you. We've expected the market in Tron back in the beginning of January to go higher, and it did not even give us that. Now, we was already trading, or price was already trading at a sell pocket. So I cannot be, astounded that price in Tron didn't go up. It just didn't play in our favor. And you will see times when that will occur. But what we do is we go over and see what changed. And maybe we can do it better at identifying, okay, maybe we shouldn't look for price to go up because we're trading at a sell pocket. Because the odds are against you if you try to expect price to go up when you're trading at a sell pocket. Look at that. See this? It's a sell pocket right there. So that's what happened. So that price prediction didn't play well. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And now let's see what's going on in the market in Tron. Okay, so welcome everyone to the channel. Before I get started, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and my content. You're not going to see any hype here. I want us to simply talk. Let's break down what we're seeing here on this chart so that we can become better predictors and try to get ahead of the market. That's where our greatest edge is for us to try to plan what's about to happen so that we can already be in position before price gets there. And then that's when we offload to take our profit while most people still try to get on board. Okay, so now we're going to clean up this chart first. We can see that these buy pockets, the buyers weren't showing up. We created this buy pocket. Initially, you guys can see that the buyers did hold price, right? But then we had this day, February the 3rd. We saw this massive weakness bar right here on February the 2nd, broke the pocket of buying. So let's get rid of it. That's how easy this is. If the buyers aren't showing themselves, then we need to get rid of it. So instead of that being a buy pocket, this area right here is being revealed as the buy pocket. So it's not a coincidence that the price in Tron, understand what I'm saying, okay? It's not a coincidence that when this market broke out in Tron on the 3rd of December, went up 96%, all right? Could have doubled your money in one day. That the market buyers initiated their positions the day before, December the 2nd. You see that, right? See that, right? This one price bar is where the buyers came into the market that allowed Tron to break out almost 100% the next day. Look at the bar. Even on our chart, we got the buy signal. Okay, you see that? Even the market was telling us it was a buy. The volume also substantiated that somebody knew something before this occurred. Somebody knew something the day before, because this volume is telling us that somebody got ahead of the game. Somebody predicted, somebody knew that that Tron was about to break out. Just like they knew here, somebody knew something here in Tron. Because the volume is increasing and the market is closing on the high of the bar. These things just don't happen by coincidence. People leave their footprints in the sand, letting us know where they're trying to go. So that is why this is a pocket. Now, that is why Tron on February the 3rd bounced from that area. Isn't that crazy? So that person who bought Tron on December the 2nd, who capitalized on the move the next day, they were like, man, The last time I bought here, I saw the market run up 100% the next day. This is an attraction. This is a magnet. Pockets are magnets, right? And price is trying to get to these magnets. So the whole time after we saw the market in Tron go up 100% on December the 3rd, it's been trying to come back to this magnet called a buy pocket. And it hit the magnet on February the 3rd. Okay. And since that time, that is why price has gone higher. Now, it hasn't gone up 100%. Like we can see that obviously. So the dynamics has changed. The same people who bought in early December, guess what? They're not buying again now. They're not there. So what we need to do in Tron is create these areas that is reflected and being shown as selling. So matter of fact, let me go ahead and move this over here. Okay, so this now is a pocket of selling. All right. So our expectation is that Tron won't go up until price breaks these magnets, these sell pockets higher. And this day right here is telling me that this may be a big sell pocket right there on the 18th of January. This pocket right here, 25.5 to 26 cents. There's more people willing to sell Tron there than there are people willing to buy right now. So now let's look at this on the 5-weekly chart for Tron. Okay. So you can see we still on a longer term chart can see price go extremely lower than where it is right now. It could go a lot lower than where it is right now, especially if we're aiming for price to come to this trend line. That's like another 46% drop. Okay, so yeah, we're still kind of overextended in the market in Tron. Here it is on the 3. Quick look at the 2. Here it is on the weekly chart. So it doesn't look extremely weak though. When I just did a quick look on these weekly time frames, the weekly 2 and 3, we're definitely noticing buyers trying to come to the market in Tron. Here it is on the 5. Tron on the 4. Take a look on the 3 and the 2. Okay, so here it is on the 5-hour chart. So yes, market currently is trending bullish. These would be on the 5-hour chart pockets of buying. Okay, so that would be a buy pocket. So like if you're seeing price go lower, you would expect us to see price bounce in Tron. Here's another pocket of buying right here. So as we look at this bar form right here on the 5-hour, we want to see price hold that pocket. If it holds a pocket, then this market is still strong. If price breaks this pocket, then the market is not as strong as what some people may think. All right. All of these are pockets right here. So here it is on the 330. So this area right here is probably one of the strongest pockets right here. Okay, so currently I still think price is generally weak. Okay, we're still seeing a downtrend occur to the market in Tron. That's the current environment. So I can't be bullish yet. In order for us to be bullish, we will have to see price break this downtrend line and these pockets of selling up here at the top. So I will become more bullish if I see price in Tron break this downtrend line and then break this sell pocket there. I will have to see that first. Those two things will have to occur. So now let me go ahead and put on this prediction. We're going to anticipate price in Tron going lower. Okay. Now we got these pockets here. When I broke down the chart on 5 hours, you guys saw these pockets, right? So we're going to place a pocket here. I mean, our first target here in Tron, right there around 22, almost 23 cents, 3.64% there. Our second target is going to be at this next buy pocket, 21.5 cents, 8.5% there. And then our third target will be at this first initial pocket in Tron, which will be around 13.9% right there. Let me go ahead and get rid of that. And let me extend this downtrend a little bit more. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.